Young students at Maranatha Christian Academy have a new place where they can share ideas and let their imaginations run free. I recently had a chance to check out their new library and STEAM Center.
So how do you think she's feeling now?
The new high-tech library and STEAM Center opened in January.
Crunch!
And it's already a big hit with students.
I like that we get to be creative.
The center has two components, literacy and technology.
We learn CAD, so computer-aided design, and then they can print their designs on the 3D printer. They learn robotics, they learn coding.
Recently, teachers teamed up to collaborate on lessons.
Can you say yes?
Yes.
I used the literacy, and she's been the STEAM.
On the day we visited, students read the book, The Most Magnificent Thing.
And they were inspired by the character in the story. She was trying to invent something that was in her mind, and she couldn't get it out.
Students then took the lesson they learned from the book and created their most magnificent thing.
We're making a bridge.
The young students were very creative.
Going to cut pipe cleaners, and these are going to be the sea. The cup is going to hold the bridge, and we're making the bridge out of cardboard.
There are no guidelines. Students are completely free to create.
I like that we can make whatever we want.
Another team made a raft with a slingshot on it, using a variety of materials.
Popsicle sticks, a cup, tape, and cardboard.
It can float on water and do a lot of cool stuff.
One group made a rocket ship.
We worked together and made it as a team effort and tried our very best and used our imagination to try to make this.
Teachers say they've seen a difference since the center opened. Students work better with their teammates, and most importantly, students are more confident.
They're more comfortable sharing ideas. They're not afraid to share their ideas if they're given the opportunity to create.
Skills students will be able to use when they become adults.
When they graduate and they're looking for careers, I want to give them the confidence to go for something like computer science or engineering in college if that's something that they're interested in.